And then we mix it. We had to delete some pictures so we can make this one. The chocolate chip and what is it?
Walnuts.
Take some out.
Nice.
Where's my cookies?
They almost there. You have to stir. After we stir, we're gonna grease the pan so we can put the cookies.
So why do you grease the pan?
So nothing sticks to the pan, and what happens if you stick? You can't eat them, or else rape them.
Okay, that looks good. I like how you grease that. Very nice.
Thank you.
Nice, looks good.
Now we have to scoop it up. That. Take them into a bowl.
You're my baby girl.
So wash my hands so I can touch it.
You want to take a bath? Yeah. Ooh, yeah, we can take a bath. Let's go get your clothes. This way. Oh, is it pretty like a Mickey Mouse in the clothes? Nice. Let's get that one.
See the video? Okay. Then you just roll into a ball, split it like this, and then after that, you grab another half. You can do a spoon if you want to, but I'm doing hot hand so it's easier. Put a little bit away from each other or else they'll stick together and be ginormous.
That's a nice idea.
You can also eat some chocolate chip. A little snack. Good for you though. Chocolate chips aren't, but whatever. You can put more than 6, you know. I baked cookies with my mama before, so I know lots of nuts. I know how to bake macaroni and cheese. What's so? Okay, wash my hands and check my watch. Boom. I'll be right back right now because I need to dry my hands. I put the cookies in there. We're going to put another one, but I set the timer so they will be ready for 18 minutes, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. And then now, start doing the same thing. So, let's do it. It's a little easy with the spoons, but mostly easy with your hands. Okay? That's what the most key is using your hands. Because that's what I do every single time. You don't want your cookies to be this big. You want them to be this big. If you messed up, it's okay. You just have to remember what I said is the ingredients, or if we have more, lots of more. Okay? So we're gonna do this. My grandma's taking Tori for a bath, so I'm making cookies for dessert. It was not 18 minutes, it was 8 minutes. Right, Grandma?
Yep, you're right.
And after you pull them out, you have to let them cool down so they look good. But for like a little while, you have to check it. Right, Grandma?
You're right. You know exactly what to do. You're on it.
So I make all these cookies. So you can put some all the way up top because if you don't have room right here, because you want them far away from apart, and then we have them right there. I put a small one for my sister. And then she's going to bed. That's what I think. But I've been really helpful, so that means I get to stay up. That's Grandma's rule.
That's
I'm going to give my guest, which is the judges, Tori, and Grandma, and and you say your name.
okay. My name is Lorena, and I'm judge number 1.
And you're?
My name is Roman, and I am judge number 8.
And I come from Northern California.
And I come from El Barrio.
Okay, bueno.
I know cookies.
Okay.
And cookies know me.
And I'm going to put the cookies, and I'm going to hand you some cookies.
And we will
Thank you.
taste them.
And we'll see what they taste like. Right here. Here we go. Brother has you covered right here. You got a cookie. Yay! Thank you so much for having us as your
Thank you for letting us be the judges.
honored guest
So
and
let
as
me-
your judges.
Let me criticize this. The weight of this cookie is marvelous.
Look at mine. Mine has a nice ears on it, and I love it.
I ate mine.
This one looks like maybe Garfield. I like that. Very nice. But they look wonderful.
The smell. They smell perfect.
Woo! And they're not burned
It's a-
either.
It's an intricate bouquet.
Beautiful. Let me see how they crack. And what is that? What is that ringing out there?
Okay, Google. Okay, Google, stop.
Wow.
These are buttery. They're delicious. They almost melt in your mouth.
You like it, Tori? These are some of the best chocolate chip walnut cookies I have ever tasted. How about you?
I can't eat just one.
Judge number 3, right here.
Thank you.
Please take a bow in
Thank
front
you,
of the
thank you.
camera.
Thank you, everybody. Hope you like the cookies. Bye. Hold on. We're gonna do something real fast.
You can't eat just one. Mm-mm.
They're yummy.
Mm-mm.
Oh, wait. No, it's not that. It is more of, they are fantastic. Logan's cookies, the bomb.
These are LC's, Logan's cookies. LC's.
Woo!
I'm gonna have.
All right, wonderful cookies.
There we go.
Cheers to the cookies. Cheers, Tori, to the cookies. Cheers, everybody.
They're
Great
very
job. I can't wait to see your
Cheers.
video.
They're light.
And they're not
My
real
new
sweet.
video, and you'll see the other one.
He's amazing. Cheers to you. Beautiful job. Thank you for all the help that you helped us with today, too. We are taking you somewhere special again, okay?
Check out the next episode on how to, and you will find my episodes. And my name is Logan. I'm going to make another one for you. Bye.